Finding the best food processor blender combo may seem a little bit overwhelming. If you're looking for the best food processor blender combo, you might consider checking out this best rated food processor blender combo. Now, let's see the features of this great product.
Ninja Total Crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
And these are editor rating for this product.